Hey, since I know you will love this video so much, I think we can just go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button right now, yes? See what I did there? Welcome to another 5-minute sales training where today we'll talk about the assumptive close, how to use it and how not to. Stick around. Welcome back, everyone, to another 5-minute sales training. Today, we're talking about the tried and true assumptive close, how we use it, and sometimes how we mess it up. But first, we got to talk about a little problem.
Problem?
The problem is that we think the assumptive close has to be persuasive. Like, this is a point in the sales process where I'm still trying to convince the customer that this is the right thing to do. And I think that that's a mistake.
Samsonite. I was way off.
This is not meant to be persuasive. It's meant to be confirmative, which may or may not be a word I didn't bother to check. In other words, this is a close that you should be using when you are pretty darn confident that you've hit the mark and that you've solved their problem. So how do you get to that point? Well, by now, I'm hoping that you will have used plenty of check-in agreements along the way. That is, that your conversation peppered with questions like, does that make sense? Or is that what you were hoping to find? Or does this work for you? Or how does this kitchen compare to what you have now? And all of those smaller questions build evidence one piece at a time in the buyer's mind that this is the right solution to their problem. In other words, don't just assume you have the right solution. Let your buyer tell you, a little at a time, that this is right for them. Now, having done that, you've put yourself in a position to utilize the assumptive close. Jeffrey Gitomer suggests that the assumptive position is the strongest selling strategy in the world. Now, when it comes to technique, you need to understand something that I've been saying for years, and this is critical. Your mindset is more important than your skill set. You got to get your mindset right and the technique will follow, but don't even think about your technique if your mindset is off.
My bad.
For the assumptive close, the mindset depends upon your positive energy. My friend Mark Hunter puts it this way: over the years, I've watched many salespeople get on a roll and close everything in sight. Unfortunately, I've also seen the opposite, and most of the time, the underlying reason for their lack of success is their level of confidence when it comes time to close. He says, I'm amazed at the number of people that fall apart right at the most critical time. If you can't close your customer with confidence, then there's no reason at all for you to waste your time or your customer's time by even making the sales call. Thank you, Mark Hunter. The assumptive close is about the transferring of positive energy. If you are not legitimately excited about this opportunity, then don't use this close. Seriously, without your energy, it will be very not good. Now, you're waiting for some brilliant technique here, aren't you? Well, sorry to disappoint, but this isn't about scripting. This is about sharing your passion. You need to find the most natural way for you to share your positive enthusiasm about the opportunity. Now, for me, it might sound something like this. I am so excited for you. The best part of my job is when I see someone fall in love and find just the right home. Let's sit down and make this official. Just remember, the mindset is more important than the skill set. So work with it, play with it. Get it in your own voice, but get your mindset right. Thanks for watching, and until next time, learn more to earn more.